Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science class. Let's continue our chapter number 4, Birds. Let us read about beaks. Birds do not have teeth, they have beaks that help them to catch their food and eat it. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Birds like sparrows, pigeons, and peacocks have short, hard, and pointed beaks and enables them to crush hard grains and nuts. Birds of prey like vultures, eagles, and owls have strong, sharp, and hooked beak which help them to tear the flesh easily. A parrot has a curved beak which helps to crack nuts and bite hard fruits. This kind of beak also helps in climbing. Birds like woodpeckers have a sharp and chisel-shaped beak which enables them to make holes in the tree trunk to find insects and worms. Birds like hummingbird and sunbird have long and pointed beak. It helps them to suck nectar from deep inside the flowers. Birds like swallows have soft and broad beaks. When they fly, they keep their beaks wide open to catch insects from the air. That's all for today. Thank you.